You're not bad at making reels. You're just doing it wrong, because the creators blowing up right now, they're not more talented. They just found the cheat codes. So let's talk cheat codes. Step 1. Stop starting from a blank timeline like it's 2019. Start from your best moment. Opus.pro takes your long video, podcast, vlog, whatever chaos you filmed, and yanks out the one clip that's actually worth posting. And it's not vibes-based guessing either. It scores every clip before you even touch it, so you're not wasting 20 minutes editing something that was never gonna hit. Works for more than just talking head stuff too. Gaming, vlogs, sports. It finds the moment no matter what you throw at it. And if the footage goes flat for a sec, it slaps some B-roll in there so it doesn't look like a hostage negotiation Zoom call. Only catch, it's not always right. Almost half the clips it gives you are straight up trash. So yeah, you still gotta use your brain and pick the winner. Cool, so now you've got the clip. But nobody's sticking around for a video that doesn't grab them in the first 3 seconds. That's literally the graveyard where most reels go to die. Make only has one job. Those first 3 seconds. That's it. That's the whole personality. Drop your clip in, pick an effect. Earth zoom, angel wings, whatever's currently taking over your For You page, and it builds you a scroll-stopping intro before you even have time to overthink it. Zero editing skill needed, zero fiddling around. One tap, reel preview, done. And the effects aren't random either. They're pulled straight from what's already going viral, so you're basically borrowing what's working. Don't even want to show your face today? It'll build the entire hook from scratch using an AI avatar. No shame in that game. Only thing, free version caps out at 720p. Fine for testing if the vibe's right. Not fine for what you're actually posting. All right, you've got the clip, you've got the hook. Only problem now? It still looks like a rough draft. No captions, no polish, no reason for anyone to stick around past second 5. Sub magic is where it all comes together. Captions, B-roll, sound design, basically everything standing between your video and someone's thumb swiping away. The captions alone are unreasonably good, like 99% accuracy in over 100 languages. It's basically never wrong, which is more than I can say for autocorrect. Looked away from the camera mid-sentence? Doesn't matter, it fixes that with one click and nobody's ever gonna clock it. One agency literally cut 24 hours of work a week just from switching to this. That's a whole extra day back. Only downside, the watermark. But be smart, run it through a free watermark remover after, and boom, problem solved. Quick bonus round if you're tired of your captions looking exactly like everyone else's. Zlabs. It does that viral text match cut thing, where your on-screen words morph straight into the next line, perfectly synced with your visuals. No watermark, frame level control, real-time preview. If basic captions are starting to feel a little too 2023 for your niche, this is your upgrade. So that's the whole pipeline. Follow this and watch your content blow up overnight. See you next time.